Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be talking about Home Assistant. What is Home Assistant? Home Assistant is an open source home automation platform that allows you to control your smart home devices from a single dashboard. It works with a wide range of devices including lights, thermostats, cameras and more. It can interface with many devices and sensors and can also be controlled from other systems such as the Amazon or Google voice assistants. Why use Home Assistant? One of the biggest advantages of Home Assistant is that it allows you to control all of your smart home devices from a single dashboard. This makes it easy to manage your devices, set up automations and monitor your home. It can help you to lower heating and electricity bills by monitoring usage of rooms and turning lights or heating off if there is nobody using them. It's also a good way to interface devices that would not normally work together, for instance adding non-HomeKit devices to an Apple HomeKit system. How does Home Assistant work? Home Assistant works by connecting to your smart home devices through various protocols such as Wi-Fi, Zigbee, Z-Wave and Matter. Once connected, you can control your devices from the Home Assistant dashboard or set up automations to control your devices automatically. It can be as simple or as complex as you want, from a single dashboard and simple on-off automations to multiple dashboards with complex decision-making automations. Using integrations, it can interface with many thousands of different devices, information sources, and other home automation systems. Devices can be a single device or sensor, or a group of devices. Each device may have many entities, for instance, a motion sensor might also provide information about the ambient temperature. Automations are a set of repeatable actions that can be set up to run automatically. These have a trigger, for instance this can be a set time or as a result of a sensor being activated. Conditions can be set, for instance not to run at night. Using scripts you can chain various actions together and can be useful to trigger the same thing in multiple automations, for instance a wake up alarm. Scenes can also be used to apply particular settings to devices, such as having the living room light set at a particular level for watching a movie. You can also extend Home Assistant by running add-ons, which are apps that can be run within Home Assistant. This may include editors or an interface to a particular device. Getting started with Home Assistant. To get started with Home Assistant, you'll need to download and install the software. It can run on a wide variety of devices from a single board mini computer such as the Raspberry Pi, an old PC or laptop, or on a home server or home lab. It can be installed as a standalone operating system, as part of an existing system, or as part of a Docker setup. Once installed, you can connect your smart home devices and start using the platform to control your home. As there are many different ways to install this software, we will be covering the various different installation methods in an upcoming video. Conclusion. Home Assistant is a powerful and flexible home automation platform that allows you to control your smart home devices from a single dashboard. With its open source nature and wide range of compatible devices, it's a great choice for anyone looking to automate their home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.